allowed people to come and see that we were not what we were being stereotyped as being. When I was at Concordia, I joined the CCSU. Everybody went there, congregated while playing dominoes. It was our expression of culture that drew people from everywhere, especially for some of the international students that come to study. As my father did, you want to provide them with something that's going to make them feel at home. By having guest lecturers come in and teach us about African history, Caribbean history, certainly helped me. I thank the professors that volunteered on their own time for the love of the culture. To be a professor at a university in Montreal at that time and be Black was not easy. My father was a professor of mathematics at Concordia. That's one of the things that he really instilled is you have to know that it is going to be harder for you in life, but it doesn't mean you can't succeed.